Are you looking for the best commuter bike tires for your bike? Then there is no doubt that you have come to the right place. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best commuter bike tires from reputable brands. After very much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. We can only assure you that here you will find the best commuter bike tires with the right quality reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. Schwinn Bike Replacement Tire. The first tire on our list is the Schwinn Replacement Bike Tire. This tire comes in a range of sizes and options, meaning you can find the exact tire for your needs. The type that we would recommend for commuting is the hybrid standard tires. However, it is your personal choice what tires you decide on, as it will depend mostly on the terrain you will be commuting on. The hybrid standard tires have the perfect amount of traction and grip for traversing pavement as well as more rocky terrains, meaning it is perfect for those that encounter a variety of surfaces when they ride. Whilst the tire does not offer puncture proofing per se, the deep grooves in the tires can catch any rocks or pieces of glass before they damage your tire. And many of the reviews from other buyers of this particular tire have said that they have been impressed with how well they fare in terms of being puncture resistant. It is a tube tire, meaning that there is an inner tube that gets inflated, rather than a tubeless tire. The width of this tire ranges from 19 mm to 29 mm. This makes it the perfect tire choice for those commuters who favor speed above all else. As they are on the thinner side, you can expect a little less grip than thicker counterparts. Number 2. Continental Gatorskin Bike Tire. The next tires we just had to share with you for your commuter bike are the Continental Gatorskin Bike Tires. In our opinion, very much on par with them, and a worthy runner-up even with their differences. There are a large number of size options to choose from, meaning you can find the perfect tire to fit your wheel rim. The width of these tires comes in two choices, 23 and 25. This means that they are designed with speed in mind, just like the first tires on our list. They are a good choice for commuters who tend to stick to road and pavement traveling, given that they do not have deep grooves in them for as much grip and traction as other tires. Nevertheless, they are very durable tires, made from a black carbon mixture. They are also scuff and cut resistant too, reducing the likelihood of a puncture. It is a good tire choice for someone who uses their bike for both commuting and training, as it lends itself well to both. The shoulders of the tire have excellent grip, whereas the center is more smooth, great for reaching high speeds. They are a tube tire, too, which is important to note as people have different preferences. Number 3. Continental Contact Plus Bike Tire. Continental's Contact Plus tires are described as being city trekking tires. They are also designed to cope with the demands of faster e-bikes. This section is perhaps an obvious choice for the latest generation of gravel or cyclo-cross bikes that earn their keep on asphalt. Not forgetting the latest generation of disc brake Texpedition Tourers. Since we're on the subject, the sidewalls also sport two measurements, 622x37 mm and 700x35, which is slightly confusing. Beneath the big, grippy tread pattern, the Contact Plus employ a very similar puncture-repelling system to Schwalbe's iconic Marathon series. Rated 7, the highest in their scale. A beefy rubber strip sits beneath the casing, designed to deflect any sharps, pushing them out with a capillary action before they can cause a flat. The water channeling grooves do an excellent job of flushing flints, glass, and indeed thorns from the tread. I've given them a quick purge with a stiff brush, while giving the bike a good, sudsy bucket clean. Nonetheless, I've made a beeline for anything that might induce a flat. Number 4. Serfas Drifter Tire with FPS. The condition of your daily commuting road will vary from place to place. So, if your route suffers from multiple potholes and your tires seem to wear out easily, then you might need the Serfas Drifter Tire. This tire has a special dual-density technology that makes the tool puncture resistant. The technology requires the tire to have multiple rubber compounds that gradually builds the strength of the product. There are smaller regular holes throughout the tire body that also helps to commute in bumpy, rough roads. When the tire rolls over rock or sharp object, instead of causing a puncture, it adjusts on the tire hole. Thus, the tire rides smoothly, even on bumpy roads. The Serfas Drifter also has a super wire beading system. It has thin nylon weaves that increase resistance against inflation. So, if you accidentally apply more air, it will not explode. The ideal pressure for this tire should be 65 psi or less. Any more pressure will reduce grip and control. Number 5. Continental Ride City ETRTO. Another bike tire suitable for rainy areas or plain routes is the ETRTO by Continental. Since rain will make the road slippery and plain road does not have much surface area for grip, you need a tire that has a higher traction rate. That is why the Ride City ETRTO is a convenient choice as it provides excellent traction. The product surface has large patches in the shape of arrows running in a direction. Those patches help the tire to retain grip. So, even when the bike slips, the traction force should pull it back. However, all of this happens in a moment's notice, and you will barely feel them slipping or the traction force pulling. On the whole, your ride will be as smooth as it can get. Another safety feature that Continental added to the tire is an extra puncture belt. So, the sides of the tire have a strap that protects the rim and the rubber tire from stones or sharp objects. Thus your bike will stay protected even if a rock hits the rim at impact. Besides that, the design of this tire is generally suitable for asphalt roads and low-resistance routes. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.